Welcome back, Flamingos. Today we're going to talk about all the fun things that I did while I was on Mariner of the Seas. So some of the great outdoor activities that they have available on Mariner of the Seas is the rock wall. Me and my husband both attempted the rock wall. I got up to the Kitty Bell and my husband got all the way up. It was a lot of fun, pretty easy. Not too scary. Their harness and stuff felt pretty secure. I would do it again. That was a lot of fun. Another outdoor activity that we participated in was, I believe it's called the Sky Pad. So it's like a trampoline based system, and you can put on the virtual headset while you jump. That was pretty cool. They had a few games that you could choose from. I did the time machine. I did it twice. My husband did the time machine and another one, I don't remember what it was. It was okay. It wasn't like the best experience ever, but it also wasn't the worst. It was fun. It was different. It's free, so you might as well do it at least once, right? They also give you the opportunity to jump without the headset, so that's an option for you as well. Some of the outdoor fun things that you can do that involve water. So there is the Flow Rider. I did not attempt that. I am not coordinated enough to try to do the Flow Rider. They did offer like the standing surfing style, and then they offered like bodyboarding, boogie boarding. So you have both of those options for you if you're interested. They also had the water slide. My husband did that. He thought it was a lot of fun. I also skipped on that. They had 2 pools, I believe, and then multiple hot tubs. 2 of the hot tubs were in the adult only area along with 1 pool, and then I think there was 1 pool and 2 hot tubs in the general public area. I did enjoy the hot tubs. Those were very nice, and I tried to get into the adult only pool, but it was way too cold for me, so I passed. One of my favorite activities that me and my husband did every day that we had an opportunity was pickleball. So pickleball is like one of the fastest growing new things that everybody's into right now, and we give it a try. We really enjoy pickleball. We'll probably do it some more as we get the opportunity, but they do set it up for you for about a 2-hour time limit every day, roughly around 9 in the morning. We really enjoyed it. I highly recommend you give it a try. There seemed to be some players there, and most everybody was real happy to teach us how to play, being we weren't real familiar. A few of the other activities they also offered for outdoor were the basketball court, and they had a walking track. My husband did a lap around running. I took several laps walking. It was pretty nice. They also had plenty of loungers outside, plenty of places to just kind of hang out and enjoy the outside in general. Now, for one of my most absolute favorite things that we did while we were on the ship, we went down to the Schooner Bar in the evenings. And so it was like around 8:30, 8:45. And they had an amazing piano player. He was really good. And they had one of the bartenders, his name was Caleb, I believe, and he was known as the Spicy Jalapeno. He was hilarious. He would dance and do all kinds of like crazy things while the piano player was playing certain songs. It was a very lively show. The bartenders would get involved with playing on the glasses and stuff. It was a lot of fun. I highly recommend you check that out at least one night of your cruise if you are on Mariner of the Seas while that staff is in place. So 2 of the other things that you can do, one is the arcade. Because of COVID, they had like every other one shut down, so you couldn't go like head to head, which is like why me and my husband like to play. We like to do like the race cars and see who can get around the track best. But we couldn't do that this trip, so maybe next time. The other thing that you can do is the gym. Normally this would be something that we would use some. We chose not to this trip because they did require everybody to wear a mask, and that's not real comfortable for us while working out, so we opted out this trip. Hey flamingos, help me out. Please subscribe. One more great outdoor thing that you can do while on Mariner of the Seas is the mini golf. It was a super cute course. I believe it was like 9 holes. It was a lot of fun to do, a little challenging. The wind wasn't too bad. I highly recommend you give it a try. Well, that'll do it for now. Until next time, shake a tail feather.